I am L. Ravindra Singh, PT teacher, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Jarampur. Our school, Vivekananda Kendra, Jarampur, started in the year 1977. We have 370 students. This is the 100 students at the hostel and 270 students day scholar. So in relation with International Yoga Day, we are going to practice some of the asanas, that is standing yoga asanas, sitting yoga asanas, and some other prawn poses and supine poses. And these two students, L. Max Singh and L. Messi Singh, will demonstrate the asanas. Thank you. Join hands. 3 Omkara. Start. Read and follow. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahabiryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Viddhisavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now Sthiti, get ready. Slow jogging. Start. Slow jogging. Spread your hands sideward. Down, backward jogging. Okay, slow down, stop. Leg rotation. Stop, reverse. Shoulder rotation. Arm rotation. Back, shoulder rotation, reverse, stop, open your legs wide. Left up, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Close your legs. Raise your hand. Down. Touch the ground. Forward bending. Back. Down, back, down, back, down, stop, stop. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll practice Tadasana. Stand erect, legs apart, join both palms and push upward straight, heels up. Remain for 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly down, bring to the position. Sthiti means Sabdhan position. This asana, Tadasana, should be repeated for 3 to 5 times. It is best yoga poses to increase height, stimulate nervous system, improve body posture and balance, regulate the menstrual cycle in women, tone up buttocks and abdomen, strengthen ankles, knees, thighs, arms and legs, improves the functions of the respiratory and digestive system. Now next is Bhakrasana. No, not Bhakrasana, it is Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha means half and Chakra means wheel. Stand erect in a line, keeping the heels together and toes a little apart. Support the back at the waist by the palms while exhaling. Bend backwards from the lumbar region. Neck bends backward, stretching the muscles of the neck. Breathe normally. You count for 10 seconds. Each benefits tone up the dorsal muscles, calves and lumbosacral region, back. Improves blood flow to chest and the neck regions. Flexibility of the spine is maintained, being complementary to the Padasana. It enhances the benefits of it. Respiratory organs get good for treating asthma and tone. Low back pain, relax, cramps in thighs and calves. This is Ardha Chakrasana. Now we'll practice Trikonasana. Tri means three, Kona means angle, and Asana means postures. You start from left side, stand erect in a straight line, keeping the heels together and the toes a little apart. Raise both the hands slowly by the sides till there is the horizontal position as the right foot is moved to above a meter away from left foot. Slowly bend to the right side in the same plane. The fingers of the right hand touch the right foot. The left arm is straight up in the line with the right hand. Left palm passes forward. Slowly come back to the position and bring it back. Come to the position, and we will again practice to the alternative side. Slowly open your left foot to the Now bend down, left side. Look upward. Okay, slowly bring back to the position. These asanas we can practice 3 to 5 times. It is good for diabetes, respiratory ailments, urinary disorders, good in treating constipation and enhance appetite. Pain in the back, neck, elbow, waist and knee are relief. Now after the standing position asanas, now we are going to practice sitting position yoga asanas, that is Bhadrasana.